Using double gun welding machine. This allows for quick housing welding without turning around, but there are certain requirements for volute width. Without a vision system, high requirements are placed on spot welding fixtures.